Hi viewers, welcome to my channel SV Tutorials. ఈరోజు మనం ఫిజిక్స్లో చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అయిన టాపిక్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాం. అవి ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్ చదువుతున్న వాళ్ళకి, 10th అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళకి, 10th చదివే వాళ్ళకి, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చదువుతున్న వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి. దయచేసి నా వీడియోస్ అన్నీ చూడండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ వీడియో. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఈరోజు మన వీడియో ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ సస్పెండెడ్ బై స్ట్రింగ్స్. వెన్ one or more object is suspended with a string, how the net force will be, and what is the tension will be, and what is the relation between the tension and gravitational force acting on the body. All those things we are going to discuss today. Okay, here you see, in that when object suspended by the strings, it is the first case, a single object suspended by a string. Suppose here m is the mass of the object which is suspended by the string of massless. Its mass is negligible mass. Consider the mass of the string is negligible. Now let us take this body having some weight which is acting downwards. This weight is equal to, as we know, weight equal to mg, mass into gravitational force, gravitational acceleration due to gravity. So here, because of this weight, some force is developed in the string which is named as tension. So what are the forces, different types of forces acting on this m? So here, upward force is tension, and downward force is gravitational force, mg. Here the body is not at all moving, so no net force. Net force is equal to 0, means the difference between tension and gravitational force is equal to 0. So tension is equal to gravitational force when the body is not moving. So let's go to second case. In this, single object suspended when its mass is considered. When its mass is considered. In this case, same diagram, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఉంటుంది. So this is the mass of the body, and let us take capital M is the mass of the body and small m is the mass of the string. So when it is suspended, the gravitational force of this mass of the body, gravitational force acting on this body is mg, and gravitational force acting on the string, because it is also having mass, that's why it is small mg. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ మీద యాక్ట్ అయ్యే గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ స్మాల్ ఎంజీ, అండ్ బాడీ మీద యాక్ట్ అయ్యే గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎంజీ. రిజల్టింగ్ ఇట్ upward force is developed which is named as tension. So now what are the forces here? Upward force is tension, and downward forces mg plus capital mg. These two are the downward forces. Now the body is not at all moving, that's why net force is 0, when net force is 0, T minus mg plus capital Mg is equal to 0. T is equal to, take G common, so m into, take G common. In these two, if you take G common, small m plus capital M. So this is the tension when the body is having mass m and the string also having some mass. Here in the first case, the string is not at all having mass, massless string. So their string mass is 0, but here string mass is there. So because of that, the resulting equation